Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to refer a friend to YouTube TV. So if you want to get into YouTube TV referral program, you will have to first come on YouTube TV and then you just have to simply log in into your account. Now, in order to find your unique referral link or your unique referral code, you need to make sure that you are a subscriber of YouTube TV. Only then you will be able to get that option. So once you click on your profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen, underneath your profile you will be able to see the refer a friend option. But as you can see that in my account that option isn't showing to me, and in most of the accounts you won't be able to get that option. Like on Reddit, this person asked that I am not able to find the referral link, and he is basically asking, is the program still active? But in response to it, you will see that most of the people are saying that it will be under your profile. And as you can see that 2 months ago the account was also active. So basically you can get your referral link just underneath your profile, or basically in this section. Then you can see that on the support page of Google, you can see that you can find your referral link underneath the profile icon. You will get a unique referral link to share with a friend. So then you need to follow the steps in order to copy and share your unique referral link, and this way you can basically refer a friend on YouTube TV. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.